Hey, it's Jen Thoden with YourColorStyle.com, and in this video I want to share with you the color wheels from ColorFans.com and to show you what they're all about and how to use them to create stylish color combinations for your outfits. So this right here is the soft color wheel. There are two color wheels, one for soft and one for bright. And as you can see, the colors in the bright color wheel are the clear chroma colors going from dark to very light, and then the soft colors are muted, and they also go from dark to light. So when you're looking at this color wheel, it's the full spectrum of either the soft colors or the bright colors. And then upon a closer inspection, you'll see these little asterisks here next to the colors. It might be difficult to see in the video, but those indicate the universal colors. So no matter what, if you're not really too sure if you have cool undertones or warm undertones, you can always use this to identify the universal colors, the colors that would look good on everyone. You'll also see how there's an indicator here of what side of the color wheel is warm, has all the warm colors, and the other side of the color wheel has all of the cool colors. Over here in the center and on the right are your color combinations. And I'm going to show you how this all falls together. I just want to kind of give you a tour of the color wheel. So you'll see here that based on what color you choose, you can then create different color combinations, and that's what's indicated here, as well as the percentage of colors for each color combination. It's a little dark in the video, it's lighter in person, so you can see that there's almost like a little pie chart here to show you the percentages of colors that you can do. Okay, so let me show you how this works. So using the bright color wheel, let's say that I had a red sweater, and you can see it here in the background. And so I move the color wheel to point at red, and the bright red is about right here, okay? And with that, I can now decide what other colors will look good with that red. I could go with an analogous color combination, meaning that I would just choose colors that are closest to it on the color wheel, which is what you see here in the top window. I can do something more dynamic by following the line and maybe doing a blue, which is a triad color combination, or I can even go over here to the yellow and do the same. So that could be interesting because you can choose any range here. So I could have chosen an olive color, which is yellow with black, with this bright red, or even a pale yellow. Or over here, this light yellow, this light blue would be like a really nice blouse underneath the sweater. And then over here is the split complementary colors. These are the colors that are a little bit more dynamic than the triad colors. And so right here is blue-green. And I found a scarf in my closet just to demonstrate, what a fun color combination that is just by doing that. I could have also gone over here to the green yellows and found a version of a lime green. That would be very interesting. Upon making this video in 2018, one of the trending colors in stores is a lime green, and so you could pair it with that bright red. How fun is that? Here's another example. In the background here is a deep magenta, and it's kind of bright, so I used the bright color wheel for it. And so I turned the wheel to point now to magenta as the main color. And now here are my options. Again, I can go analogous and choose colors next or close to it, like with a purple, a light purple, something like that. Or I can come out here to the triad color combination, split, or even complementary, which is the opposite of the color wheel. In this case, I chose a triad color combination with a light mint, which is right here, and it's such a beautiful color combination. I could have also done something very different and unique and gone more for the oranges, which would have been very interesting and really more appropriate for someone with warm undertones, but still a lot of fun. And so that's how you would use this. And these right here, when you choose your color combination, then you can decide how much of each color. So the main color that you're pointing to, that's labeled with the M, that's your main color. And again, it's a little hard to see in the video, but it's the darkest circle here, and it's labeled M. And so you have about 60% or so of your outfit is that main color. And then you can do your accents and your secondary colors. So you can choose, say, if it was your split complementary, okay, you can make that about, 30%. And then the rest of the color combination, you can come over here to the other side and use that third color as an accent. So again, most of your outfit is the main color, then you choose your secondary color, and then the third color as an accent. And so it shows you here some good examples of your proportions of those colors so you can play around with that. It's a lot of fun. If you forget how to use the color wheel, the instructions are on the back. And just to kind of give you a framework of how you would use these tools best, you would shop with your color fan. So if you don't have your color fan, you would want to get that at colorfans.com. You shop with your color fan and you edit your wardrobe with your color fan because this is your tool to help you identify what colors are going to complement your overall coloring and tone. And then you use your color wheel to create those really fun and unexpected color combinations. I mean, how many times have you gone into the store and you thought, I love that color, it looks good on me, but what in the world will I wear it with? And that's what this color wheel is designed to do. It's to help you point that pointer to that main color and then give you options on what you can combine it with. And so it's a lot of fun, and I really think that you're going to enjoy it and find value in it. So you can find your color wheels and color fan at color-fans.com. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.